Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see about the write access for S3 buckets. So in this video, I'll show you how to give write access for S3 buckets in AWS. So this is your AWS homepage and search for IAM. So click on this IAM. Then you can find policies here in the left side. I'm selecting these policies. Once you selected the policies, so these are the default policies that is available in the AWS, and we are going to create a new one. So I'm clicking on this create policy. Once I click on this, so it will ask for the permissions. So click on this JSON to give some permissions. And SID version is the default version of your AWS, and it's not required to change that. And SID, you can give anything for your reference. I'm giving S3 write access for simplicity. And after that, I'm leaving effect as allow because we are going to specify some actions here, and it's going to allow the actions. That's why we are giving allow here. And I'm going to leave it. And actions, I'm going to specify some actions. And here, inside the double quotes, for S3 buckets, so I'm giving S3, I'm giving put object. So if you want to add something into the S3 bucket, we have to give the permissions for them, that is put object. So put objects helps you to add some object in the bucket. And then next is S3 delete object. So delete object means to delete some objects in the S3 bucket. So put object is to add some objects into the S3 bucket, and then delete object is to delete the objects in the S3 buckets. And also I'm giving permission for listing. So S3 list bucket. So this helps to list the objects in the bucket by the user. And then resource, we have to attach the resource, that is your S3 bucket. So I'm going to copy and paste the ARN of the S3 bucket. For that, I'm going to the S3 bucket page. So this is what the bucket already we have. And I'm just selecting this demo bucket DataMites. I'm going to copy the ARN of the bucket. For that, you have to go to the properties. So go to the properties, and after that, copy the ARN. So this ARN, I'm copying it, and then I'm coming back here. Then I'm pasting it. Okay. And after that, give comma. Then again copy, again paste it, and then slash. Then I'm giving asterisk. This asterisk is responsible for, okay. So this asterisk is responsible for giving permissions for all the specified access. Okay. So this asterisk is responsible for giving permissions for all the specified actions above. So once it is done, we can click on the next. So it will ask for the policy name. I am giving S3 write access. Okay. I'm giving S3 write access for simplicity. And if you want, you can give some description. It's optional. And you can see here, we have listing access, and then we have writing access. Writing means adding and deleting the objects from the S3 buckets, and also listing the objects in the S3 buckets. These are the permissions we have. And I'm clicking on create policy. Now the policy is created. So if you want to check, just search for the policy S3 write access policy. You know, this is what the policy that we have created. Thank you, everyone.